But what exactly can we expect? Well, it's predicted that AI and machine learning will continue to grow exponentially in the coming years. This will inevitably create a wealth of unique job roles we may not even be able to imagine right now. Some speculate the creation of AI ethicists, who will navigate the moral landscape of AI use, or machine learning artists who combine creativity with advanced algorithms to create truly unique artwork. As AI and machine learning become even more integrated into our daily lives, the demand for specialists in these fields will continue to rise. However, with these advancements comes the need for continuous learning. The technology is evolving at such a rapid pace that professionals must stay ahead of the curve, constantly updating their skills and knowledge. The future is bright for those willing to evolve with AI and machine learning, embracing new skills and opportunities. So what does all of this mean for you and your career in the era of AI and machine learning? In essence, it's clear that AI and machine learning are not just buzzwords, but powerful tools shaping our future. They're transforming industries, creating new job roles, and redefining existing ones. From healthcare to finance, agriculture to entertainment, AI and machine learning are permeating every sector, promising a multitude of opportunities. However, with these emerging opportunities comes the need for new skills. Proficiency in data analytics, coding, and machine learning algorithms are becoming increasingly vital. But don't forget the importance of soft skills like critical thinking and creativity, which machines can't quite replicate. Moreover, this shift calls for continuous learning. As the realm of AI and machine learning evolves, so should our knowledge and skills. We need to adapt, to learn, and to grow alongside these advancements. Remember, in the world of AI and machine learning, the only constant is change. So keep learning, keep evolving, and be ready to seize the future.